Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead Festival, Paper Flower Tutorial by Callaloo Carnival Arts. Origins of Dia de los Muertos. Day of the Dead Festival combines traditions from European Catholicism and pre-Hispanic Mesoamerican cultures. Festivities take place from the 31st of October to the 2nd of November. At this time we honour our loved ones who passed on by making ofrendas, or altars, to honour them to ask for their guidance. An ofrenda features food and drinks liked by the deceased person, along with items that remind us of them, such as photographs and objects related to their work or hobbies. What you will need: materials: A4 paper or A4 card or cereal box for the petal template. Petal template PDF from Together 2012 website. Recycled paper, old book pages, wallpaper, sheet music packaging. Paints or coloured pencils, crayons, sharpies, oil pastels. Floristry wire, pipe cleaners or masking tape. Tools: scissors, pencil, glue stick, sponge or paintbrush for painted version. Apron to protect clothes if using paint, or wear old clothes. Step 1. Make petal template. Print out the petal template onto A4 card or A4 paper, or use the pre-printed template. If you're using paper for the petal template, reinforce this by sticking it onto some card, for example from a cereal box. Allow the glue to dry for about 10 minutes. Then cut out each petal shape to make 4 different sized petal templates. Step 2. Paint or colour a background design. Use paint, crayons, pastels or pencils to make a colourful design on the paper. Use stencils and sponges to make interesting marks and patterns. Leave the paper to dry, then colour the other side too. Use masks or stencils to create layers of interesting textures. Continue to add colour and make marks on your paper. When you're happy with your paper, leave it to dry. You may wish to decorate the underside of the paper too. With biro, Sharpie or another writing tool, write a letter, poem or add other designs to your paper. In this example, the words of a well-loved poem were written continuously across the page. Words from Still I Rise by Maya Angelou. Draw around the petal stencils onto your paper once it has dried completely. You'll need 3 of the first petal and 5 of each of the other petals. Using scissors, carefully cut out each petal shape. Starting with the smallest petals, squish the pointy end of each petal, then fix them together with string, wire or tape to make a flower shape. Repeat this process with the rest of the petals from smallest to largest until your paper flower is complete. Paper Flower Tutorial by Callaloo Carnival Arts, commissioned by Together 2020 Disability History Month Festival.